Digivision Network.
The Nigerian government says it is committed to the protection of digital platforms to build the confidence of citizens while using the internet. The Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosu Tijani, in the two-day sensitization workshop on data privacy and protection in Abuja said, data privacy protection should go beyond technicalities, but become values that we should uphold strongly.
Data privacy and protection conversation should go beyond technicalities. They should become values that we all hold and uphold strongly.
He assures a collaborative effort with all stakeholders to ensure everyone is aware of their rights and how they can protect their digital identity.
We will collaborate with all stakeholders, government and the private sector, to ensure that everyone is made aware of their rights and the steps that they can take to protect their digital identities. We're committed as a government to ensuring that every Nigerian can trust the digital platforms that they use.
The workshop, organized by the Nigeria Data Protection Commission, NDPC, aims to sensitize the public on the requirement of the Nigerian Data Protection Act. Speaking to the press, the National Commissioner of NDPC, Dr. Vincent Olatunji, said the Commission is engaging in rigorous sensitization on the NDPA and capacity building of DPOs and Nigerians. He noted that the country requires over 500,000 satisfied DPO because the skill is lacking, while he added that there is a need for homegrown solutions and indigenous solutions to drive the ecosystem in areas of compliance and technology.
So awareness will be a continuous exercise, and the next thing will also be capacity building. As we already mentioned that we need over 500,000 certified data protection officers in the country. Now the next thing will be, do we have the people? Yes, we have the people. Do we have the skills? No, we don't have. So there is need for us to reskill and retool our youth, unemployed graduates, even retired people who can serve as DPOs in different organizations. So these are major priorities for now. And another thing is the area of ecosystem and technology. What kind of technology can we use to actually drive compliance in this country? Indigenous solutions, not imported solutions from all over, from different places. We have the people, we have the knowledge here, so we need to develop homegrown solutions that can assist in compliance.
Present at the workshop is the Director General of the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, Mr. Kashifu Inua, the Managing Director of Galaxy Backbone, Professor Bello Abubakar Mohammed, among other bodies present. Innovation and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. www.youtube.com/Digivision Network.